Hi everyone, do you know how to create this quick, simple and elegant makeup look? If not, this video is for you. You will only need 5 minutes to create this look. My name is Sehrish and I make videos on makeup tips and tricks. So let's get started. First of all, for this look, I am prepping my eyelids. For this, I am using It Cosmetics Full Coverage Concealer. This concealer is perfect for any eye makeup look. A good base is key to achieve flawless results. So this concealer is very good for covering any dark spots or any dark circles. As you can see, it covers any darkness on my skin beautifully. Next, I am filling in my eyebrows. I start by drawing a line under my brow and then I use Sheen dark brown eyebrow powder to lightly fill them in. After that, I take a spoolie brush and blend the powder into my brows. Remember, the front of your eyebrows should be lighter than the middle and end for a natural look. Finally, I apply eyebrow gel to give my brows a polished and professional look. Now I am setting my eyelids and the area around my eyes with setting powder. To make it easier, I divide my eyelids into three parts. The top part slightly above the crease, the middle part and the area closest to the lash line is the third part. So first of all, I apply a beige shade on the top section. Then I use a slightly deeper shade like a bronzer tone on the middle section. For the eyeliner near the lash line, I used a dark brown shade. To blend everything seamlessly, I used a fluffy brush, but make sure not to mix the shades. Just blend each shade in its specific section. This creates an elongated look, making your eyes appear bigger. If you prefer, you can switch brushes, but I'm using the same brush by just flipping it to different side. Now that the base of the look is done, I go back to the dark brown shade and deepen the outer corner slightly for added dimension. Next, I am using a shimmer shade from the Too Faced chocolate palette. This is one of my favorite. I am starting it little bit after the inner corner till the middle of the eyelid. Then I take a silver shimmer shade and apply it precisely on the inner corner and join it with the golden shade. And the application of these two shades is like an eyeliner. This gives a soft gradient, silver at the inner corner transitioning to gold in the middle. The golden shimmer doesn't go all the way to the outer corner, it stops just before it. For the brow bone, I am applying an off-white shade to highlight the area. In this look, most of the focus is on the outer corner of the eye, so I am avoiding heavy shadow on the eyelid itself to keep the eyes looking larger and more open. Now for the lower lash line, I am applying the bronzer shade from the outer corner to the middle of the lash line. Then I draw a very thin black eyeliner on the upper lash line, starting where the golden shimmer ends and extending to the outer corner. To ensure a sharp clean look, I am using a tape as a guide. If your eyeliner looks uneven, clean it up with concealer. To finish this look, I curl my lashes. My lashes are naturally straight, so I'm using an eyelash curler from Sheen that works really well for my eyelashes. You can see the difference once I apply mascara. I'm using YSL mascara and I'm skipping false lashes to show you the natural results. By the way, false lashes often enhance the look, but here I want you to see the simplicity of the eye makeup without them. Then I added some highlighter on the inner corner on the lower waterline just for highlighting the area. Finally, I apply a beige eyeliner on my lower waterline to complete the look. And I also applied some black eyeshadow inside the inner corner just for sharpen the eyes, and I added little bit black eyeshadow on the inner corner just for deepen the eyes. And that's it. This is the complete look. This look is simple, elegant, and makes your eyes look larger. It may seem longer because I am explaining every step in detail, but it's actually very quick to do. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing, and feel free to share your suggestions, and you can follow me on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Love you.